So we're given these three matrices here, and the first thing we need to do is find A plus 3C. So A is just 3, 1, 2, 4, and C is this matrix here. So if we have 3C, it's just going to be negative 15, 6, 9, 3. So 3 add negative 15, that's negative 12. 1 add 6 is 7. 2 add 9 is 11. And 4 add 3 is 7. And now we want BA. Let's just think about this. This is a 3 by 2 and this is a 2 by 2. So the middle numbers are the same. They're both 2, so we can do this. So we have 5, 1, 2, 4, negative 1, 0, multiplying by 3, 1, 2, 4. Now the product matrix will be 3 by 2. So top times left, 5 times 3 is 15, add 1 times 2, so 15 add 2 is 17. Then top times right, 5 times 1 is 5, add 4, that will be 9. Middle times left, which gives us middle left. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 6 and 8 is 14. And then we've got 2 add 16, which is 18. And finally, we're going to have negative 3 times 1 and 0 times 2. So that's negative 3 and then negative 1. Okay, now let's move on with this question. So we're given that X is this matrix here. We want to find the inverse of X. So first we need the determinant. So the determinant of X is going to be 1 times negative 2. Negative 2 take away 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. So that's negative 2 add 12, which gives us 10. So the inverse is going to be 1 over the determinant. And then we do a swap on the leading diagonal, the old swapperoo, negative 2, 1. And then we change the signs on the other diagonal. So that's the old switcheroo. So 3 and negative 4. And that will be our inverse. Hence we want to find the matrix Y such that xy is equal to this matrix here. So we have xy is this matrix. So if we do x minus 1 xy, so that's multiplying on the left by the inverse matrix. On the other side we also have to multiply on the left. Remember, with matrices the order of multiplication is important. Well, this side is just going to become y because x minus 1x is the identity. So that's y. So that's going to be 1 over 10, and then we need to do this multiplication over here. So what are we going to get? We're going to get negative 2 times 5, negative 10, add 45, is 35. And then we're going to get 20 add 60, which is 80. And we're going to get negative 20 add 15, which is negative 5. And then finally we're going to get 40 add 20, which is 60. And so y is going to be 3.5, 8, negative 0.5, and 6.